Those who don't plan, actually they plan to fail.
In project management, project planning isn't just related to the scheduling of activities. It consists of planning all the aspects of project management which works together to achieve the project's ultimate goal, like
stakeholders planning, project scope, project scheduling, project budgeting, project quality management planning, project resource planning, project communications planning, project risk planning, over-project integration planning, guidelines for better project planning. There is some project management software available that helps in project planning. The approach to utilizing available software in a customized project still depends on project manager skills. Key guidelines for better planning of the project are: define the direction, identify the goals, objectives, and deliverables of the project to help keep everyone staying on track. Identify tasks and set up online tools, identification and online scheduling of tasks and subtasks, etc. Be fearless and link tasks. Assign resources and help them to help the project.
Set baselines and monitor progress, comparing planned versus actual time the project is taking.
Thanks for watching.
Please hit like and subscribe to the channel.